Kids, but here we got this Garbage Kids cereal, this Skull Crunch Garbage Kids cereal exclusive, and this Garbage Kids Food Fight refrigerator. We're gonna hold on. And we got it. Oh, hold on. Oh, no. Here we got hold on, I gotta try to organize them to how many there are. How did you keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pets? First, we're gonna open the celebrity chef cards. Here we have, hold on, Grinding Gears Gordon Ramsay. Gods. Ralph and Rachel. I don't even know who this is. Then you got, put that one under. Food Hall. Whoa. Food Hall. Celebrity Chef, I don't even know who that is. Okay. One of the packs, I guess. Start with this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Just trying to get it. Oh, I got it. All right. Starting off with these. Living Weenie. Fried Hands. Or actually, yeah, Finger Licking Ken. Junktarian John. Spitting Spencer. Chucklet. Blended Billy. Hold on, let me just put all the cards that are not new over here. Hi, Mapes. Battling Bev and Grenadine. Hold on, just gonna put those up there. Next, this one. Here we got Spicy Spencer. Termite Terry. That's another new one. My new ones go over here. Buzz Baron. Got that. Just gonna put all my duplicates over here. Grady. Oh, I think I got the one I wanted. Warren. I got the one I wanted. Still Life Stan. Oh, hold on. Butt Face. In my favorite, I really wanted this guy. Gummy Gunter. Look, it's the gun that used to come in the cards. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put the trash right there, and then when we're done, I'll throw it away, okay? So I don't. Okay, next. Oh, Fudgy Charlie goes here. Okay. Okay, I can tell which one this is. This one oh, sorry about that. Let me just grab all those cards. Oh, sorry. Junktarian John. Oh, Snack Jack, never mind. Bolut. Top 10. Got Fresh Fisher, Cheddar Cheese, Cheese It, and Joe Blow. New one. Oh, wait, I think I forgot this one. Nope. Okay. What? I mean, I'm getting a lot of new ones, and I still have a lot more packs left. Oh, hold on. There's still a card. Still cards. And then, oh, yep, these are definitely new ones. Okay. Spitting Spitzer. Oh, God, another one I wanted. Oh, hold on. This is the one I really wanted. Oh, hold on. Dawson Cookies. The Pillsbury Doughboy. Got buttercream. Making stuff out of it. Maple, you queen is your good girl. This one, Ice Cream Sundae, which is creepy. Put that one over there. Tex-Mex, that was a new name. And then we got Refined Reggie Dog. What do you think about that? And then, Irritable Bowel. I don't know. I can't read that. No, please. Miss Pig. Sorry if I'm throwing on the trash. Good girl. Good girl. Trying to make sure she knows. Oh, but I can tell this is. Nope, apparently not. But okay. Kingston Care. Or Kingston Cake. Potato. Whipped Cream Ken. Filling himself up with cream. Unaware Eddie? Oh, this is cool. This is a promo card. Adam Appetit. Have a D. Overseason Son. Look, he's going full ham on that. Or that's Steve Heave. Last Mila. So that's a new one. Have a lot of new ones and a lot of duplicates, except they're all different names. Okay, I'm hoping. I wonder who I'm gonna get in this. Hoping it's someone good. Someone cool at least. Okay, got it. Nope. Terrorized Travis. Oh, this looks like a lot of new lemonade. I can't read that. And we got Shrimpy Cheryl. I think this one's really rare. Boiled Bonnie. Oh, this one's really cool. Billy Bling. It's a ring pop. Man, I have a lot of new ones and a lot of different names, so I'm gonna have to put all these in my book maybe tomorrow. Oh, got it. Okay. This one is Hall & Oates. Same guy. Woody Blocks. Oh, hold on. Yo, Woody Blocks. Dripping Derek. Funnel Finley. Getting Ahead Ned. This one's really cool. It's the prize they used to come in. And then we got Sugar Sheena. Okay, 3 packs left. I swear. Okay, I can tell I got this one. Got Stomping Still. Yeah, I can tell I got that one. Gummy Gus.
Good evening, guys.
Garbage Pail Sid.
Some of the details surrounding this
Rod Walker.
and
Split Brit. Oh, look at the Oreos.
blow you away. Fascinating stuff.
Okay, perfect. I can tell there's a lot of new ones. I hope in this one. Hold on, trying to mark the things out. Okay, cool. I think this one might be, okay, cool. Bloody Mary, this is disgusting. Herschel Squirts. I already got that. Flaky Fran. Oh, I got another one, Tawny Mado. Then you got food stuff. Messy. Peeled his face off with a bib. And then you got the rest. Okay, last pack. Then, well, I don't know where I'm gonna put these since I can't fit them all in the thing. Oh yes, this is the new Dylan Pickles. The, I think, Vans guy. Yes, I know, I want this one. Cheesy Chester. Yes, there's a lot of new ones. Convict Cody, I got that one. Big Bob. Cream Phil. Big Bob. Okay, got all, okay. Got a lot of duplicates, and I'm trying to debate if I want to open the cereal. It's really cool. You know what? Can we find someone who all my cards because I can't leave them out. You know what? You know what? All right, video done. Bye.